Hi guys, so today I have my 2025 firearm collection including my smoke detectors and this one up here. We'll get to that one later. But for now we're gonna read off every firearm collection. So I have at the total I have 15 firearms so far. So over here we have my mom came in to record, but who cares? Anyways, we have a toy firearm bell. I used to have that when I was little. I was instead of buying these firearms. We have a Wheelock or a E10 Exceeder LED speaker only. We got a Vistula SM210, and it's early in the morning, so we will be selling any firearms on, and it's November 1st, which means we could upload the November smoke detector testing later on. Next, I got the EST Genesis steady horn. I'm gonna look at the model if you guys are confused. It's a EG1 RF-P. So it's a sound of horn. We got my Wheelock NS24 MCW. We got this firearm 7-tone sounder. We got this system sensor HR horn. It's just basically a firearm horn. But basically it sounds like beep, 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 which is very, very, very loud. We got 3 BG12s. This is a fake one. The second one's a real one. And I had to take off this yellow thing because I actually want to make the real one than the fake one. And we got this third one, which is basically I pulled it and don't have a key to it. But maybe I can find one soon. This is my system sensor CHW chime fire alarm. It's a CHW, to be honest. I mean, I recommend getting a CHW than an HR horn, because it could also make a HW too, because HW and CHW are kind of similar, to be honest. So is the ship too. So this is the you can't see is the 366 fire alarm code box. It's an ADT code box, and it does basically have missing parts on it, so this is also a good file alarm you can get too. Another code box, I don't know which this one is, but I'm guaranteed it might be some sort of like old school. This one is a fire alarm siren. It's just basically a generic siren. And this is my fire alarm bell. It's a alarm bell that basically runs on 24 volts. And it's 95 decibels, so it's very, very, very loud. And last up, I have this Kitty Tennessee smoke detector. I recently had it installed. It comes with 2 batteries. Yeah. Well, so that's gonna be my 2025 fire alarm collection. I have 2 fire alarms on my board. I have fire alarms in my displays. Most of them have I have 1 fire alarm that's basically on the wall. So yeah, that's basically my 2025 fire alarm collection. And please subscribe, because we need one more subscriber to hit 50 subscribers so we can live stream again. So, and I hope you have a amazing day, and hopefully we take care.